Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail today. I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. If you are returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so today I'm doing another unboxing of the brown sugar box. And although we are in the month of September, this is the August box. So forgive me. I try to get it out as fast as I can, but it just don't always work. Y'all know how it be. You just know how it be. So the brown sugar box is a monthly subscription box where you get about 5 to 7 products every month for the price of $39.95. And usually these products are catered to our culture, ours in the Black community. They have brown sugar boxes for women, brown sugar boxes for men, as well as children. Now, I'm not going to go into a whole lot of details. I will, however, link some other videos where I go into a little more detail on the background and the owners and all that jazz. But I'm doing these unboxings every month, so I'm not going to always go into all those details. I'll just link the other reviews down below. More specifically, the month of June, that's where most of this is outlined. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right into this box. Alright, so the box always looks like this, y'all. And when I open it, I always grab the little magazine first, because that tells me all about the products that are inside this box. So just to quickly highlight some of the wonderful topics in the month of August magazine. 6 Black women writers and authors you must read this summer. It's kind of interesting, especially for those who love to read. Preserving your serenity during these chaotic times. Absolutely. How to be a chill champ. 4 ways to take relaxing to the next level. Whew, honey. I must be a pro at that. Because I love my relaxation, my chill and relaxation. That's me all day. And a Let It Flow playlist. This is the Let's Chill edition. So up my alley, y'all. Just right up my alley. And then it also has 10 African TV shows and movies to add to your movie night. When I tell y'all, my mom has like been so heavy into these African TV shows and movies, and I ain't mad at her. I'm like, okay, girl, go for it. She loves them. All right. Let's go ahead and dive into the goodies of this box. So I always pull out the t-shirt first. If you've been here before, you already know. They include a t-shirt in every box. And it's usually a super cute t-shirt. I always love their t-shirts. I really do. And I'm a t-shirt chick, as you can see. Love me a good statement t-shirt. Y'all like my shirt? Let me pose. Ow. So this is the Nothing, Just Chillin' tee. We all know where that came from, right? Bruh man from the 5th floor on Martin. Nothing, just chillin'. It's $25. It comes in 2 different colors. You can get it in black or white. And I happen to have it in black, which I love. Look at this. Super cute. Alright, so up next we got... So this is Crazy Sexy Cozy 3/4 sleeve sleep shirt, and it retails for $36. There are 6 different designs. So let me show you the design that I have. So this is the sleep shirt. Now it really does look cozy, but it looks super big too. Like this is gonna drown me. This is big. Still cute though. Oh, look at the detail. I didn't even see the detail of the woman's face on it. But it's like facing me. It's weird. Like the woman's face is upside down. But it's cute. I mean, okay. I love that pop of blue in there. Y'all know that's my color. That blue. It's just super big. And I am one that like to be, what's the word I'm looking for? Free. I do like a nice night shirt, or, you know, a little teddy or something where I'm free. I'm not a pants chick. I don't like wearing pants nor socks in the bed. Everything get all bunched up and jumbled up. I like to be free. I need to be free. All right, next. So next up we got Cocoa and Calm Hot Chocolate Mix. There are 3 different flavors and it retails for $10. So you can get chocolate truffle, salted caramel, or cherry. I happen to have cherry. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I don't drink nothing, and I probably done said this before. I don't drink nothing but water, wine, and coffee. That's it. That's it. I don't drink no milk, no juice, no soda, no tea. Water, wine, and coffee. That's it. That's it. So, I'll probably give this to my kids. You know, they love this kind of stuff. If I did have a choice, I would have chosen that salted caramel, though. I don't know about this cherry thing. That makes it sound worse to me. I wouldn't have drank it, but I would have tasted my kids. I probably won't taste the cherry one. That just don't sound good to me. I don't know. I don't like flavor. I don't like flavored drinks like that. Alright. Next we got the Sip in Peace hot and cold tumbler for $20. There are a choice of 7 different designs. So let's see what design I got. Came in a little Izzy and Liv box. Get your sip on. Stainless steel beverage tumbler, 16 ounces. That is so cute. Okay, I should probably show y'all instead of admiring it myself. Oh, this is so cute with the little different images of, look, that's so us, ain't it? Talking on the phone. Posing in the camera. Like, Black Girl Magic right here. Look at these little Black Girl Magic photos. These are cute. Hot or cold drinks. This is about to be my new coffee cup. I'm about tired of mine, so thank you. It was about time to replace that. This is really cute. I'm about to switch to this, for real. Yep, that's my new coffee drink in the morning. Thank you. Appreciate that. Right on time. Yeah, things just come on time. And you know, you get tired of one thing and then another one comes in. Yep. Right on time. Alright, y'all. So last but definitely not least is Chillin' and Sippin' 5-piece stainless steel straws. 3 different color options and they're $15. Okay, let me just take them out. This is how it comes packaged. This is cute. Izzy and Liv. Stainless steel 5-piece straw set. Includes 2 wide, 2 curved. Plus a straw brush. Oh, what the freak is a straw? Oh, I got it. I was like, what the freak is a straw brush? Okay. Okay. Oh, this is to clean them. Cool. So we got the 2 curved. The 2 straight. Did I get them upside down? Or does it matter? I don't think it matters. And then the straw cleaner. These are probably also going to my children because I don't drink anything. So they use straws. I don't. Yeah, they'll get these too. They're cute. They're cute. Alright, y'all. Well, those are all of the items included in the brown sugar box for the month of August. Now, they say this month's retail value is $104, but you would only be paying that $39.95. I wanted to show you some of the other color options, like for the tumblers. So, I got this one, but if I had to choose, I would have probably chosen this one next to it because that's more of my color. I just like that color scheme. I would have chosen that. And for the sleep shirts, I got this one, but I probably would have chosen this one. Yeah. Y'all know I just like statement stuff. And then I like the colors. It's simple. But I got what I got. And I'm cool with what I got. So I'm sure the September box is going to be arriving pretty soon. And I'm going to try my hardest to get that unboxing done sooner than later. Alright, well, that's all I have, you beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. I hope you found it helpful. If you're interested in subscribing to this monthly box subscription, feel free. You know, I always leave all of the information down in the description box below. There's no obligation. This video is not sponsored. So I'm not trying to sway you one way or another. If you just happen to like to get kind of cultured driven products, then I'm just trying to give you some options to get that. That's it. I happen to personally love the box. So again, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will surely catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.